Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to connect BGI-IR100 vehicle detector to your HME wireless IQ 6000 base station. Okay, so I made a video on explaining how to connect it to other base stations, but this is specifically for the ION IQ 6000, which is one of these guys. Alright, now this is an older model, but don't be fooled by the age. This unit is a workhorse. This unit is probably, it can take a lot of beating. It's solid. It's like military standard type of a base station. It's very nice. Okay, so let's get started. On these base stations, just like the other HME base stations, your vehicle detector board goes between the pins 3, 4, and 5. 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and now I'm going to explain how it goes to those pins. Okay, so as you can see on the back of the vehicle detector unit, it says that red is positive 12 volts, black is ground, white and yellow is relay contacts. So what we need to do is we need to short together the white and black, and we can only have 3 connections that comes to the base station. So the white and black will be twisted together, and the red goes to the 12 volt. Let me put this aside and show you. The 12 volt is pin number 4, as you can see here. So pin number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's where the red goes. Right here. That's where the red goes. Pin number 4. Now obviously this is not going to be hooked up directly because the wire is not long enough. This will be outside. So you have to run another wire like this one. I made a little smaller version, but this is going to be like 50 to 100 feet wire that you're gonna have to do that. So what I'm gonna do is, in order to make it simple, black and white, I'm gonna twist them together just like it is right here. Okay, and for red I'm gonna use red. And for the yellow one, I'm going to use green since I don't have a yellow one. Okay, so that's how I'm going to do that. And this will be, this wire could be hundreds of feet, doesn't matter. And now I'm going to plug in this end. So the red is my positive and my black and white is my ground, okay? Again, red is positive, black and white is ground, and the green is vehicle detection, based on how I wired it. So number 4 is plus 12 volts. Okay, so that's what you need to do. Let me zoom this in so you can see better. There you go. It's zoomed in so you can see better. There. So number 4. Positive 12 volts, which is this guy. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to close the screw. The ground, we look right here. The ground is number 3. Oh, by the way, the ground is number 3 also for the microphone. So you will have to share this with microphone. The microphone ground also goes here. This is microphone plus, this is microphone minus, this is microphone ground, also vehicle detector ground. This is speaker wires right here. Okay. Now vehicle detector is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is vehicle detector. This wire, which is the actual ground, you can cut it off, and it should be ready to go. Now I'm going to zoom out. Just look at that. See how I wired it. Let me show you the pin configuration too. Okay. These two are for microphone plus, microphone minus, microphone ground. So in this, the third hole, 3 wires will go, including microphone ground. This is speaker plus, speaker minus. This is not used. Okay. Now I'm going to zoom out and power up the unit and show you how the vehicle detection works. Okay, the unit is powered up. And let's see. Okay, so when there is a vehicle present, this light should turn red. Right now it's off. Now watch as I move my hand over the vehicle detector. See the vehicle detector. Oh, I was pointing to the talk button. I meant this, vehicle present. So now, in order for you to see, I'm going to put this way and bring this closer so you can see. There, now you can see, watch my hand. This is your vehicle detector, and this is supposedly vehicle in front of the detector. And when the vehicle comes in front of the detector, the blue lights will flicker. Let me show you the blue lights. Look at the blue lights. See those blue lights? They flicker. That shows vehicle presence. As soon as the vehicle leaves, it will disengage. And when this is disengaged, it will automatically cut off the headset. So that's the good thing. That's how you connect the vehicle detector board. Now this type of vehicle detector board is one of the best because it covers everything. You don't have to cut the concrete. You don't have to do, you don't have to do major $1,000, $2,000 installation. You could very simply attach it yourself. All right? Okay, thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe.